Hey guys, it's David here again with you from Be More Social. I'm here to talk to you today about story types and specifically Instagram stories and how you can use them for your business. So let's dive right in. Okay, so on your Instagram story, there's a couple of different types of posts you can use. But more importantly, what is your story for? Okay, your story is usually for live updates. What's happening that day? Is there anything you can share from other people, or have prospects or customers messaged you, or have they tagged your products? Can you share it onto your story? It's very much for the in the present, in the moment type of content. So what we're going to do in this video is a screen recording to show you exactly what story types you should be using, how to navigate the platform and upload them to your story so you've got the stuff that you want. Okay, so I'm logged in as Be More Social on Instagram right now, and what I'm going to do to get to my story, at the top you can see you've got everybody's stories that are populating. Okay, that's the story feature. If you scroll down, this is your feed. Okay, this is where you're going to see feed populates of different businesses and people that are posting. Okay, and this is our story. Okay, right now this is our story. I've uploaded that today. Thank you, Juicerel, for sending us that gin. That's really, really nice. So what you're going to want to do is swipe to the right hand side. Did you see I've just done that? That's how you get to your camera if you're on an iPhone. If you're not, you can just tap that top left hand corner there. It takes you to your camera. Okay, so right now you can see there's Kieran. Hello, Kieran, and I'm filming. That's the screen recording. So it's showing you a few different things. Right now, down the bottom, you can see story, live, reels. Okay, if you want to go live on Instagram, that's how you're going to do it. But right now, we're just looking at story. Okay, we're not going to cover reels in this video. That will be another video. So in your story, on the left hand side, we'll do this first. So you've got create, you've got boomerang, you've got layout, you've got super zoom, hands free. As different menu options. Okay, so if we just go on to create as an example, you can type something in here and go next, and then that can be on your post and you can send to, or bottom left there you've got your stories, which includes Facebook as well. Okay, Facebook own Instagram, so when you share to your story, it will also populate onto your Facebook if you want that to happen. Okay, so that's typing something in there. We're going to just get rid of that so I can show you some other options. A boomerang, okay, your boomerang is basically a very, very short video which just loops, okay. So in this, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. So here's me, I'm going to do a boomerang. What we're going to do, we'll do something like, hey guys! So there's a little boomerang for you. It's so stupid. I know, I'm going to get rid of it as quickly as possible. Okay, so that's boomerang, and then also we've got layout. Okay, so layout allows you to upload a couple of different images or a live photo into kind of like a grid. Okay, so if you want to upload an image into here, you just go to your photos and you enable photos. Okay, you enable that photo access. You'll be able to see your photos with anything that you've recently taken or have saved to your phone. Then you can upload them. You can also change that grid. So if you go back to layout, you can change grid. So it gives you different options based on what images you've got and what layout you want for that post. Super zoom basically allows you to kind of zoom on different things with different background music as well. And then hands free, if you just want to film a story. So like, hey guys, this is just a quick update from David here at Be More Social. I'm doing a quick tutorial video on how to use Instagram stories. Yeah, so then that is a video there that you can upload to your Instagram story. So that, I've just posted it, I've uploaded it to Instagram story. It's now going to be there. I can view it by tapping on my picture. It's uploading, as you can see. If we go back to the story, there's one final thing that I just want to show you and talk you through. So down the bottom here, where you take a photo, you can always also swipe to the right hand side, and it's going to give you a load of different filters. Okay, one of my favorites is the googly eyes. I'm looking at that camera thinking I've got googly eyes, but it's actually only showing up on here, so that's quite funny. But yeah, it's obviously, there's loads of different filters you can have a play with and use. Some of them are going to be appropriate for your business, others are not. Okay, they're just for fun. But ultimately, the best way for you to use Instagram stories for your business is live updates. Okay, live video and live photos of stuff that maybe is happening. So for example, taking a photo of the computer or the setup, or where you're working from home, or anything like that that's relevant to your business and kind of where you're at right now. So I hope that's given you a quick, brief, basic understanding into some story types, and specifically how to use Instagram stories for your business. Remember, keep it consistent and keep it relevant, on topic, and just go and try it. That's the biggest thing. If you don't try it, you're never going to know. So yeah, if you've got any further questions about Instagram stories or anything story related, speak to your guru. They'll be able to help you. And I hope this has been really useful for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I will speak to you soon.